That's a great question. It really depends on probably the people that are trying to sell it to you. It'd be the ideal, right? Is no, you've got a trusted source. For example, our new website, which we got coming live January, we're renaming it from BDS Parts to RJK Parts. That's a source that you can know and trust that those parts are going to be original and they're not going to be knockoffs and generics. You're certainly looking for a factory OEM stamp on it that whether it says Alliance or Dexter or Wascomat, whatever the part is, that they have a factory original part number on it. So you want it, and you can tell when you get them, if you look at them, what you're replacing a water valve. If you're looking at it, well, that doesn't look exactly the same, and it might fit up mostly okay, but the question is going to be, is it going to last? Is it, what did you really save money? And is the part going to have that full year warranty? No, it's not. So understand what you're buying and who you're buying it from. In my opinion, it's, gas valves, igniters, things that are related to on dryers for ignition are really critical, that you don't want to have a gas valve fail. Particularly, I don't know, I have really heard of anyone failing open, but you certainly don't want to have that opportunity to have a problem. If you have water valves fail and they fail open, which they do, then you're letting lots of water run through those machines and right through the machine and right into the drain. And if you let it go at night, you don't know what's happening, you can spend a ton of money on water. Water is extremely expensive right now. So those are two parts I would probably say definitely try to keep with OEM. Belts are fine. We do sell some, generic belts that we've gotten other places that seem to hold up and work fine. But, drain valves are another one that become a real pain. If they're not seating properly and opening properly and letting things flush through, then, you can leak water out. They're continuously refilling. You're going to use a lot of money, spend a lot of money on water that you don't realize what's happening to you.